Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on the hit list, something, well, a lot different than we normally do. We're not out grinding stumps today. We're taking down a conveyor belt at a CVS. They're redoing this whole CVS and turning this into a doctor's office. So I bought this conveyor belt really cheap. So we're taking it out. And I'm going to use what I got plans for. Plans for this is when I walk by, I got this really cheap, like $250 cheap. And the plans, I thought, man, I can use this for splitting wood. Alright guys, so we got the belt off of it. Now we're rolling it up. Trying to put that on the truck, and then we're going to separate it and go from there.
Damn, Carlos, you gonna pick that up? I ain't picking that up. That's gonna be wet. That's gonna be 300 pounds.
All right, so we got the rails off of it now. Now we're taking this chunk and we'll lower it down that way, because this is the only way the staircase can go out and it goes down.
Hold it. We're going to take that plate off. See right here? We're going to take that plate off and get that out past that.
Hey Carlos, what does tree guys, they always got something, right? They got a rope in them. Now we're going to tie this on, try to slide it down the...
Tree guys.
Tree guys, man, for life, you know what I mean? We always thinking about ropes and stuff. So we're going to tie this off and send it on down.
Turn it around. Turn around. Yeah. Watch out, watch out. Hey. Ah. Hold. I'll let you do that.
Carlos, we can probably... All right, just set it off to the side. All right, we got the end of it now. Now we're gonna do this other part. We got to put a rope in, two ropes right here, and then we're gonna shove it back that way. All right, so now we're taking the legs off of this. I'm gonna hold it up with a rope right here and scoot it that way. Probably set another rope right there, and we're just gonna keep scooting it. Alright guys, I got that loaded up. We're at the CVS and I just got loaded up on the conveyor belt, and I'm fixing to head to the house. I'm gonna walk in here and get my jacket. Hey man, that jacket I forgot, a camouflage.
Yeah, got it sitting right up here for you.
Alright.
I was going to try to sell it.
Yeah, I know it.
You know, whatever we find, we sell.
Yeah, I hear you, I hear you, I hear you. They gutting it out, guys. All right, guys, I just got back to the house. Just got the trailer unhooked, and I'll finish up showing what I got on the conveyor belt deal. This is what it looks like when it was when we disassemble it, and it's for sale. So if anybody needs one, I've got one. So if you're interested in buying one, this conveyor, just I'll put a link with my email, and if you're interested, I'll give you an idea what it'll be pretty reasonable on this, because I gotta get rid of it. I don't want to keep it on my trailer too long. I got me a fire going, got some steaks for tonight, and I'm gonna relax a little bit. It's been a rough day today, but me and the guys did pretty good today.